A ball is placed in a machine that throws the ball up in the air. The table represents some points on the graph of a function that models the ball's distance from the ground with respect to the time since the ball has been thrown. What is the range for this situation? Notice that we are asked for the range, and so we must remember that range is the set of all possible y values for this function. So what you can imagine is that we have a ball that starts on the ground. It is then thrown and goes up to 2.76 meters above the ground. So we could have a point here at 2.76 or so. Then it is at 4.90 just a little bit later. So 4.90 is going to be like right here-ish. Then it goes to 6.43. So 6.43 would be the next point. Then 7.35 would be the next height or value on the y-axis. And then we have 7.66. So 7.66 will be about here. And what we notice is that after 7.66, the numbers start getting smaller again. So what's going to happen is that this ball is going to start coming back down to earth, and it's going to make this parabola shape. But notice that the height or the distance from the ground is never going to be less than 0 because that wouldn't make sense in the context of this problem. And so that means that our range needs to be all real numbers that are greater than or equal to 0. That eliminates F and G from the conversation. Between H and J, the only difference is 7.66 and 1.25. Well, notice that 1.25 is the X and 7.66 is the Y. And we were asked for the range, which is the Y values. And so that means that J is also going to be incorrect. Therefore, my answer will be letter H.